Lightning Ball Draw. Today I'm going to make a really awesome video that you're not going to believe. It's another driving video like I did last time, but this time it's more frequent than the other one. First ball out, number 17. Second ball out, number 77. All I'm trying to do is make casual videos, but you guys won't let me. Third ball out, number 82. Fourth ball out, number 16. Fifth ball out, number 65. Sixth and final number is number 59. And the lightning ball is 47. Those numbers again in ascending order are... Hold on, let me just... 59. Those numbers again in ascending order are 16, 17, 59, 65, 77, and 82. And the lightning ball is 47. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute. Bye for now.